I see the first one, A, right here, shows us a right triangle with a base of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a base of 8. That's a height there of 2, okay? A base of 8 and a height of 2. Now, we don't have a formula yet for finding the area of a triangle, so the way that I see this, I see we can flip it and make it into a rectangle like that. You see how that's 2 even triangles? I'm going to highlight them for you so you can see them. So let's see. Here's a small triangle right there. And let's see if we can highlight a triangle in a different color, the top one. There, you can see it in green, okay? So we got 2 triangles that are identical. That means they have the same area. They both have a base of 8 and a height of 2, which gives us a rectangle, the total, which is a base of 8 and a height of 2. And we know that we can do base times height to find the area of a rectangle. And so we will do 8 times 2 equals 16 square units. But for our purposes here, we're looking for the shaded region, which is just this triangle here. So I want you guys to notice that there are 2 triangles and we're looking for just one. So we're actually going to divide this by 2, do 16 divided by 2, and that leaves us with just 8. And so our answer here would be 8 square units, okay? So that's one way to do one like that. Now, let's look down here at B and see what we see. On B, it's not a right triangle, or at least it's not lined up on a right angle. So it's going to be hard to make a rectangle that we can easily see has a base and height like this. But when I look at it here, I see that I can split this triangle right there and make 2 smaller triangles. Now with the smallest triangle, if I were to double it and compose it like we did up there, I would have a pair of small triangles. And on this side, if I were to double and compose the larger triangle, I'd have 2 of those as well. So if you can see here, I doubled this whole shaded region and I broke it up, decomposed, and rearranged it into pieces that fit there to make a nice, neat rectangle. This rectangle has a height of 3, and let's see what its base is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A base of 7. So again, we'll do base times height, so 7 times 3, and that will give us 21 for the area of the whole rectangle. But we're not done there, right? We have to divide this by 2 in order to get just this shaded region right there, okay? 21 divided by 2, you'll notice, is not an even number. It's 10.5. It's not a whole number.